The book of Isaiah, a major prophetic book in the Old Testament, is rich in theological, historical, and literary significance. Spanning 66 chapters, it is traditionally attributed to the prophet Isaiah, who lived during the 8th century BCE in the southern kingdom of Judah. The book is often divided into three distinct sections based on content, historical context, and tone. First Isaiah, chapters 1 to 39. This section, also called Proto-Isaiah, is believed to contain the words of the historical Isaiah, addressing Judah and Jerusalem during the Assyrian threat. Key themes include judgment for sin, the need for repentance, and the promise of future restoration. Isaiah emphasizes God's sovereignty, holiness, and justice, as well as his covenant relationship with Israel. 1. Messages of judgment and hope. Isaiah condemns social injustice, idolatry, and religious hypocrisy, while calling the people to repentance, e.g., Isaiah 1. He warns of impending judgment through the Assyrian invasion, but offers glimpses of hope and restoration. 2. Messianic prophecies. Isaiah introduces the concept of a future Messiah who will establish peace and justice, e.g., Isaiah 7:14, 9, 6-7, 11, 1-9. 3. Historical context. The Assyrian crisis is prominent, including King Ahaz's lack of faith and the miraculous deliverance of Jerusalem during King Hezekiah's reign, e.g., Isaiah 36-39. 2nd Isaiah, chapters 40-55. Also known as Deutero-Isaiah, this section is generally attributed to an anonymous prophet during the Babylonian exile, 6th century BCE. It focuses on consolation and the promise of deliverance. 1. Comfort and encouragement. God assures the exiled community of his faithfulness and imminent salvation, e.g., Isaiah 41-2. 2. The servant songs. These poems introduce the figure of the suffering servant, who will bring justice, healing, and redemption to Israel and the nations, e.g., Isaiah 42:1-4, 53. 3. Cyrus as God's instrument. The Persian king Cyrus is portrayed as a chosen agent to deliver Israel from exile, e.g., Isaiah 45, verse 1. 3rd Isaiah, chapters 56-66. Trito-Isaiah addresses the post-exilic community, focusing on their struggles and responsibilities as they rebuild Jerusalem and reestablish worship. 1. Inclusivity and justice. This section emphasizes God's invitation to all nations and the importance of righteousness and justice, e.g., Isaiah 56:1-8. 2. Warnings against sin. Despite the return from exile, the people's sin and spiritual complacency are addressed. 3. Vision of a new creation. The book concludes with a vision of a renewed heaven and earth where God's glory is fully revealed and his people live in peace, e.g., Isaiah 65-66. Major themes. 1. God's sovereignty. Isaiah portrays God as the supreme ruler of history, orchestrating events for his purposes. 2. Judgment and redemption. While Isaiah condemns sin, it also offers hope for redemption through God's grace. 3. The Messiah and salvation. The book contains some of the most detailed messianic prophecies, pointing to a future redeemer. 4. Restoration of Israel and the nations. Isaiah envisions a time when Israel and the nations will be united in worship of God. Significance. The book of Isaiah is foundational for both Jewish and Christian traditions. Its profound theological insights, poetic beauty, and prophetic vision have made it one of the most studied and revered texts in the Bible. For Christians, its messianic prophecies are seen as foretelling the life and mission of Jesus Christ. For Jews, it remains a powerful testament to God's justice and mercy.